Phone close, phone show, need a phone hoe. Phone money, phone honey, sipping phone foe.
All the series. Oh, they give everything with this, huh? I don't know. Toothpaste. Braces, everything they give. Toothpaste, I don't know. Braces. I don't know, everything in one box. Wiring expert doing wiring now, guys, for the headlights. All the other wiring done, engine wiring done. Only left is headlight wiring. Any wiring issues, please come to Zishan. Please come to Zishan. Fixed all my wirings so much. And with the brilliant ideas. With brilliant ideas as well, exactly. Oh boy. We'll be back when the engine is being placed. Yesterday we had a problem with the pulley thing. We misplaced the key. There's supposed to be key inside this somewhere. That key was misplaced, so they did a custom thing today morning. They fixed the key. Now it's all fixed. I don't think it's going anywhere. Yeah, and yeah, engine is fully assembled. It's ready finally. Just waiting for the wiring to be done on the car, and then we'll be back. While we fit this engine back, and there are a few other things we have to be doing. We need the piping for this to somewhere here, this sensor, and few other small things we have to do in this. Otherwise, almost done. Everything is ready. We're getting ready for at least the Sunday's event, which will be held in the morning. I hope by Sunday we get the car by tomorrow. So yeah, let's see how it goes. We'll be back when I put the engine back on the car.
लीटर 100 ग्राम ज़्यादा लाया
By 6:30 you should be here. 7 o'clock will leave. Or come up.
ಯಾವ ಆಯಿಲ್ ಇದು ಬೈ?
ನಮ್ಮದು ಬ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ
ನಾವು ಲೂಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಯಾರಲ್.
ಬ್ಯಾರಲ್ಲ? 100% ಸಿಂಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ
ಏನು
ಆಯಿಲು? ಸೆಮಿ
ಸಿಂಥೆಟಿಕ್ ಇದು.
ಸೆಮಿ ಅಂದರೆ 50-60% ಎಷ್ಟು? ಓಕೆ,
ನಮ್ಮ ಬೈಕ್ ಗಾಡಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಂತ.
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ, ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ರೆಡಿ. ಓಕೆ,
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ವಾ.
ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಎತ್ತಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು, ಗ್ಲಾಸಿನ ತೆಗಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ಅದು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ,
get started.
So smooth na from before, so much difference. Now you're making me shy, dude. Crazy. Hello Vinod.
ಘೋರ.
My friend got a new i20, you know that, guys. It's the,
It is not clean, ra.
So what? It's a car. I mean, my car.
Monsoon.
My car is not clean enough. So take it out. Hold camera. Finally, the car is ready. It's all done. All new suspension, new everything, new engine, new every part is new in this car at this point. Except for paint. And headlight is new. Call bearing in there.
ಹಲೋ,
ಸೂಪರ್. ನಾನೇ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಗೈಸ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಫೋನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ನಾವು.
ಮಡಿವಾಳಲ್ಲಿ
ಯಾರು ಅದು ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ?
ಫ್ರೆಂಡು.
ಯಾರು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅದು? ಹೆಲೋ ಹೆಲೋ.
ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅವ್ನು ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವನೆ.
ಹಾಂ,
ನಿನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೋಣ ಅದನ್ನ.
ನಿನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ,
ಅವ್ನು ಇವಾಗ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ ನೋಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಡು, ಹಂಗೆ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ ಬರೋದು. ನಿನ್ನ ಕಾರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೈತಾ ನೋಡಿ, ತಾನೇ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇವನ್ ಗಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೂಲ್ ಹತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Endline
ಈ ಕಡೆ
is my favorite car.
ಅದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಹೊಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ತಾನೇ ಲೈನ್ ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪಾಲಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ, ಇದು ಮಂಡೆ
Call me a